Hello there. I like to share with you a beautiful experience I had today. I joined an online workshop and we made a mandala to actually also with awareness to different emotions that can arise on different regions of the body. And eventually we plotted that to a mandala. And with a title, we added a title. This was a beautiful workshop from Ivana. And so afterwards, after giving title, we mixed the titles. And so in 5 minutes, no, I think less than 5 minutes with a time stop, we quickly wrote through this uh, title word, mixing the word like a word mix DJ, came out a spontaneous poem. So I like to read my poem to you in short. Okay, let's go for it. The dreamer's painful dream was not a dream to be a dream, to know more about what cannot be known, but a superfluous experiment to make sticks that hosted, like a secret tent, the day of a transformation before the evaporation of the rain in the womb, carrying the delight of the secret of the flower that gave birth to a new dream. Actually, it ends where it starts, and I like that. I always let it go, that the poem makes itself. So this is just very nice, and thank you for listening.